So what's up guys, hope you are doing well. Are you tired of accidentally swiping left on your phone and being greeted with Google News feed or Google Discover? In this video, we will show you how to disable the left swipe gesture that triggers the Google News feed on your Samsung phone or other Android phones as well. So I will show you two methods. The first one is for Samsung phone. So here you can see that I am on a Samsung device, and here when I am swiping left, you can see that I am greeted with the Google Discover page. So to disable it, you need to mainly keep pressing on your home screen. So just keep pressing on your home screen, and then here at the bottom you can see settings. So just tap on here, and then here you can see the option add media page to home screen. So it is now enabled. You mainly need to disable this option. So this would now disable the Google Discover feed from your Samsung smartphone. And if you need to enable it again, then just keep pressing on it and go to your settings and then just enable it. And now here you can see that the Google Discover page is enabled again. So by this method you can disable or enable the Google Discover news feed on your Samsung smartphone. But if you own an Android device from other brands like OnePlus, Realme, Google Pixel, Xiaomi or other brands, then don't worry, we have got solutions for you too. So whether it's a OnePlus device, a Realme phone, a Google Pixel or a Xiaomi handset or any other Android device, we will guide you through the process to reclaim the control over your home screen experience. So here you can see that I am currently on my Google Pixel device. So if I just swipe left, so here you can see I am greeted with the same Google Discover feed. So I will show you that how you can disable it. So first, just here pull down the notification and go to the settings of your smartphone, and then here you can see the apps option. So you mainly need to go to your apps, then here you need to click on see all apps. So here you can see the option, and then here at the top you can see the search option. So here you mainly need to type for Google, and now here you can see the app by Google. So this is the Google app. So you mainly need to tap on here, and here you can see the option disable. So just click on disable and then tap on disable app, and now your Google app is disabled. So if we now again go to our home screen, now if I just here swipe left, you can see the Google Discover page is not showing. So swiping left is not taking any action. So by this method you can disable your Google News feed or Google Discover, and if you again want to enable, so just enable the Google app and then the news feed will enable. So if this video helped you, then don't forget to hit the like button, and also let me know that in the comment section below, and please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more tutorials like this one. And also if you want to support my channel, then please here you can see an shop icon. So if you buy anything from this shop icon, then I will get an affiliate commission, and that would be really helpful for me. So that's it guys, hope to see you in the next video. I'm Mesh from TechMesh, and I'm signing out.